Guys, we are still at it. So I saw an opportunity on Euro USD. Okay, let me show you the account. It's a real account. Okay, I'm using just Forex broker, and I saw this opportunity on Euro USD last night. I was so tired, I didn't have time to record this, but let me show you. So I used my I like using this awesome oscillator. Let me change the color so that you can be able to see, right? So I used my awesome oscillator, this one, so that I can be able to see, to find divergence. Remember I told you I like using this indicator to find what? To find divergence. So click on it, then click done. So you see that, like I taught you guys, you see that I told you when the market is moving from high to low and the awesome oscillator is moving from low to high, then that's a divergence, and that's the meaning of that. The market is going to go up. It works like magic, and it's true. And look, I'm actually on H1. You see, this is the H1 time frame. So I saw this opportunity last night and I jumped in, and also you can see that let me even just remove this now. I've already found out that. And then also there was a beautiful double bottom over there, so that was a sign for me that the market was going to go up. So I opened my position, and then you can see the market jumped up. Okay, the market went up, then did some sort of retest, then continued going up, and then I looked at this level here, then I adjusted my stop loss to break even, and you can see that now I'm actually in. You can see that the market has gone all the way there. You can see that we are in profits. Okay, so let me just close some of the positions. Let me close some of the positions. So let me show you this. So you can see from $30 we are now at 128. So because today is Friday, let me just close this. I don't want to maintain this, so that on Monday I will look for new opportunities to trade this account. Remember, the target is what? The target is $1,000. So you can see that as a profit. You can see that the deposit was 30. We've made 98 profit. Now we are at what? We are at 128, and you can see that this was there. This is where we started from. Then you can see that we've been making profits, as we have done. So far so good. We've not had any losses. So I wait for the perfect entries. I just don't enter entries for the sake of entering. I wait for the perfect entries and I enter, and you can see that it's yielding full. So you can see that already that account has been multiplied how many times? That's 3 times. So from 30 to 9, so we made a profit of 98. That's actually doubling this account 3 times, so that you can see that now we are at 128. The aim is to grow this account until $1,000 to see if you can be able to reach that mark over there. So I'll keep updating you guys on the progress as we move along. All right.